Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to find the trending product for your TikTok shop. So if you want to sell anything on the TikTok, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to search for the Calo data on your browser, or you can simply get the link from my description. So once you will search for the Calo data website, you have to click on the first link, and once you will sign up on this website, you will see this type of the interface. Here you can find a different list. Simply you have to click on the product from here, and here you will find all the trending products on the TikTok shop right now. So as you can see, number one, 15-day cleans and items sold 83.43K, and this product made a revenue of $1.46 million. So from this website, you can easily find the winning product for your e-commerce business on the TikTok shop. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.